Are you ready for 2021? Hi, I'm Jonathan.
And Kylene.
I'm Sam.
I'm Kenny. I'm Christy.
And I'm Ben.
And we are the Provident Peppers. We want to thank you for your friendship and for the great strides that you've made this year to become more self-reliant and resilient in your homes, in your families, and in your communities.
As we look towards 2021 and the challenges that may arise, we ourselves and as a family have made different goals and resolutions in case those challenges do come.
And in this video, we're going to share some of those goals and challenges with you in order to help inspire you so that 2021 can be a great year.
Hi, I'm Ben, and for my goal, I want to be using a freeze dryer and be able to store freeze-dried food. Personally, for me, getting a freeze dryer is a huge deal. I am very excited. We are getting one on Monday from Harvest Right, and I've had freeze-dried food before and I've just really enjoyed it. And so I really can't wait to use this.
Hi, I'm Christy, and my goal for 2021 is to set and keep a budget. I will do that by talking to my dad because he knows these things. And this is important because I'm a college student and I don't have a lot of money, and staying out of debt is really important for my future. To have a successful future, I need to learn how to manage my money and do it well. Hi, I'm Kenny, and for one of my goals for 2021, I want to work on building my food storage. I can do this by listening to my parents because they are wise and all-knowing. Well, not really, but they do know a lot of things, so I can listen to them, and by putting away a little bit of money every week to start building my food storage a little bit at a time.
I'm Sam, and one of my New Year's resolutions is to improve in the sports and martial arts, both as an athlete and for self-defense. I'm going to be doing this by training different martial arts styles at different times in the week and having a schedule lined up for me to do this. I find it's very important. As an athlete, I just enjoy the sport, but also for self-defense, I feel that it could be very useful to protect myself, to protect my family in these times that are to come.
Hi, I'm Kylene, and my goal for 2021 stems from my dear friend Jersey, who sent me this incredible box of survival gear. My goal is to learn how to use it so that whenever I am in a survival situation, I'll be better prepared. Thanks, Jersey.
My goals for this coming year include helping my wife with lots of fun projects and getting our water harvesting system designed and built.
As far as our family goals go, we are going to try to increase the amount of food that we are able to produce on our own little homestead here. That means that Jonathan is going to build 10 new raised garden beds for me so that we can actually grow more food. And in addition to that, we have purchased a new freeze dryer, as Ben had mentioned, and we were really excited about learning how to freeze dry food to preserve the harvest, in addition to bottling and dehydrating.
In addition to that, we're probably going to take on some new challenges. We've already done a 90-day no shopping, no out to eat challenge. We've already done a 30-day grid down cooking challenge. We're going to try some new things. Maybe something like a furnace down challenge.
That sounds cold.
And maybe something like a total grid down challenge.
That sounds even colder.
Or a no running water challenge. Hey, this is how we learn.
Would you like to live? Would you like to survive 2021?
I'm hoping to.
Wait, 2021 has so many challenges for us already. Do we really need to create some of our own?
This is how we get better and stronger, and we learn. So as you contemplate 2021, we hope that you will take some challenges, even if it's only to set some goals that'll make you more resilient and self-reliant in the year to come.
And now for the question of the day. What are you going to do to make yourself better in 2021? Comment below. And thanks for being part of the solution. And please pray for me. I think I'm going to need it.